Hello, everybody. Welcome to Comedy with Cats. Comedy with Cats has a lot of people now, so it's not very much Comedy with Cats. Right now, it is me, Everest, talking. And I love Comedy with Cats, even though I am the opposite of a cat. But
Hey, let me talk.
okay, Chewy.
Hello, I am Chewy. Get some hungry hooey.
Okay, we're not starting up these moments. Get some hungry hooey before you go. Get some hungry hooey.
Pause this video. Please don't. We need views.
Yeah, we need views because Mizaru broke the TV. What? You broke my TV? How am I gonna watch my Daddy and Annie?
Oh no.
You didn't call me Hubba Bubba and I'm mad! How are you mad if I didn't call you Hubba Bubba? Because I have to watch my Daddy and Annie! What's so important about Daddy and Annie? You don't know what Daddy and Annie is? It's like asking your friend what they don't know that food is. I love food. Get out of the JBC! What the? Okay. Yeah, that's better, huh, Winter? Yeah. Okay. Now, the first segment is called Shout. Okay, we did it. Yay! We did it. I lost. And this is my auntie, Campy. You all met her.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Bubblegum Milkshake. Boots and the Cats and Boots and Cats. Okay, Lovey. Now, Lovey, where are you?
Hi, I'm Sky Jr. You want to see my mommy? This is my mommy. And there is maybe going to be a fuzzy families about us. Maybe. There's no promises.
Ooh, maybe until the Seize Moments show comes out, it should be Fuzzy Families on Saturdays. Yeah! That's a smart idea. Do you guys agree with that? Yep, I do too. Okay, because the Seize Moments show isn't coming out till April 3rd. So let's just do Fuzzy Families for the rest of that time, which is not going to be that long. Okay. Oh, BB. Hi. I like cookies. Do you have any cookies? No, we don't have any cookies. Give me cookies. I am a new member of Comedy with Cats, BB. BB, it sounds like your name's PP. Don't call me that. Do you know what happens when people call me that? Bubblegum Milkshake. What happens? I'm not sure. I don't know much. Well, guess what? They get attacked. It's kind of like the Susan deal and the Brat deal. What did you say? I forgot that you were still in the studio. She's still in the studio? I am going to chase after her. Get over here. Okay, let's just not do Comedy with Cats.
Hi, I'm Bob the Tomato.
I was eaten, but then spit out. It was gross. We are the couple. Ooh.
What up is singing? What up is singing? Ooh.
Because there wasn't impressions with Storm this week, I'm going to do impressions with Storm.
Okay, stop it. We are not doing impressions with Storm. Storm.
Hey.
Hi, I'm Simon.
Nobody likes you, Simon.
He's a pizza. You don't have to be so mean.
I think I agree with him. You bite Sam's leg like it's a chicken wing, and you tried to eat Bun Bun the other day.
Yeah. You tried to eat me the other day.
What? I did? Yes! Oh, yeah, I did. I do that when I get hungry.
Well, guess what? Get out of the habit.
Okay, this is not fun. Hi, I'm a Comedy with Cats member. You probably remember me from Comedy with Cats 12. I'm Marshall.
Hi, I'm Emmett. Oh. Get some
Modios, get
audios. If you find me, you'll get $1 trillion.
why you keep doing false advertising. I'm learning about that in school. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm dancing. Dance party? It's dance party? Yeah. No, it's not dance party, honey. Yes, it is. Oh yeah, googa bala goody, ja, na da da da. Hi there. How do da ha? Your turn, honey bun. I haven't got to do this in forever. Da di da goo da goo ga da. I'm a cat. You're a dog in the place. I'm a frog. Oh, yay! Froggy, yeah. Froggy, yeah. I am blah kona de kola li da do ga. E ba le do di do da. Hey, can you beatbox, Lovey? No. Lovey? No. Lovey? No. Okay, this is only for Buster Sepia.
Ooh, let me try. Did ya do skid bop ba.
I'm back. Is Susan here? You better not go on that stat, Zaru. Run! Okay, this episode is turning out to be a mix-up episode. It feels like. Hey guys, I'm coming back. Okay, Susan. Hi, I'm Hello Kitty. They thought I was being too gross today, so they didn't let me come on the show. Yeah, that's how we should do it every day. Now we got many people crying. Okay. Hey, Hubba Bubba. Hey, Hubba Bubba. Who said that? Ah! Dad! I'm stuck. I wish. I'm kicking Pico in the face. Yes, you helped me get out. Ha! That's what you get, G. John Garfield. I thought it was still the mix-up episode. Well, guess what? It's not. This is why you never call me Hubba Bubba.